Welcome to Nzima Today TV, your hub for the latest news updates and compelling stories from the Nzima region and beyond. Coming up, transport fares drop by 15% starting May 24th. Details now. And a welcome relief for commuters across the country. The road transport operators have announced a 15% reduction in public transport fares effective Saturday, May 24, 2025. This follows recent decreases in the prices of petroleum products. The decision was officially communicated through a joint press release signed by Mr. Godfred Abubri, General Secretary of the Ghana Private Road Transport Union, GPRTU, and Mr. Mano Oheneyabwa, General Secretary of the Ghana Road Transport Coordinating Council, JRTCC. The fare reduction covers shared taxis, intracity, also known as trotro, intercity, also known as long distance, and haulage. Transport operators have been urged to update and clearly display the new fare rates at all loading terminals. The general public is also encouraged to cooperate with operators to ensure smooth implementation. This initiative is part of the government's administrative arrangement to ensure transport pricing reflects changes in fuel cost. The move has been distributed to key institutions including the Ministry of Transport, Ministry of Energy and Green Transition, National Petroleum Authority, amongst others. Nzima Today TV will bring you updates from the Nzima area and beyond as the fare reduction takes effect this weekend. Stay tuned for more updates.